Welcome to my channel, CA Academy, and today we are going to deal with SRE 2400 engagements to review historical financial statements. It is an important topic under standards of related services. Unlike audits, review provided limited assurance and is generally used when limited assurance is sufficient. SRE 2400 is a standard that governs engagements where a practitioner is engaged to review historical financial statements, applies when an accountant is engaged to perform a review of financial statements that are prepared in accordance with applicable financial reporting framework. Key objectives: to enable the practitioner to express limited assurance that no material modifications should be made for the financial statements to be in conformity with the applicable financial reporting framework. 400 applies to review of financial statements prepared for external use, review of internal financial information, engagements where the objective is limited assurance, not reasonable assurance. It does not apply to audits of financial statements, procedures agreed with the client when no assurance is expressed, and compilation engagements. A review engagement is a type of assurance engagement that provides limited assurance. The practitioner performs inquiry and analytical procedures. These procedures are substantially less in nature and extent than those in audit. Key elements: acceptance and continuance. Before accepting the engagement, the practitioner must ensure the objective and scope are clear, the financial reporting framework is appropriate, there is no conflict of interest, the engagement can be performed with professional competence. Then the engagement letter must be written and should include objective and scope, responsibility of the practitioner, responsibility of the management, applicable financial reporting framework, and form of report. Performance of the engagement: the review procedures consist primarily of inquiry, questions to management and others, analytical procedures, comparisons, ratios, and trends. These are designed to identify areas where material misstatements may exist. Practitioners may also obtain an understanding of the entity and its environment, consider internal control relevant to financial reporting, evaluate whether information obtained is contradictory or not. Review report has key elements: title and addressee, financial statement reviewed, management's responsibility, practitioner's responsibility, conclusion, negative assurance is given. Signature, place, date. Example, we can say, based on reviews, nothing has come to our attention that causes us to believe that financial statements are not prepared in all material respects in accordance with applicable financial reporting framework. Responsibility of management has to be said. Management is responsible for preparation of financial statements, selection of appropriate accounting policies, maintaining adequate records. Practitioner relies on management's representation during review. What are the responsibilities of the practitioner? The practitioner must comply with ethical requirements, maintain professional skepticism, perform review procedures, conclude based on evidence obtained. The practitioner should document engagement acceptance, procedures performed, evidence obtained, conclusion reached, review report issued. In conclusion, we can say SRE 2400 defines how review engagements should be performed when limited assurance on historical financial statements is required. It focuses on inquiry and analytical procedures and results in negative assurance conclusion. This engagement type is vital when stakeholders require some comfort on financials but not at the level of audit. Thank you.